yesterday. I'm making the video late. So in the gold, we yesterday placed a trade. So what we have seen is that a trend line, a downtrend we have observed with a trend line support. So we have seen here higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, and lower low. Downside we have here weekly candle liquidity. So already it has made a new low at this position. So we were expecting that market should take the liquidity and go, but if market has to go, like market was in the downtrend from a long time, so there is a breakout expected. So if it has to give a breakout, it should probably take the liquidity of the weekly candle and then it should go. But here what we have seen is that on a 1 hour time frame, after a new lower low, the market was consolidating on the 1 hour time frame and it has formed one range. So since here we saw a big bullish candle, so it was expected that the market will touch the trend line and then it will fall down for the gold. So now let's shift on the 5-minute time frame. This was the logic for the higher time frame. Now on the 5-minute time frame, we have seen from the zone it has given a good breakout. Let me put the volume. Yes. So market has given a breakout here. So it was so obvious that market should go up and touch the trend line. So we entered on the breakout of this candle. So once the breakout happened, we have marked, we were supposed it to be retraced and then it should touch the trend line. So on the retracement, we took the entry exactly at here. It gave a breakout, then it retested our previous resistance zone. Since it was a resistance and after a breakout, the resistance becomes the support. So yeah, when we saw the market was somewhere here at this position. So we were expecting that it should, like we have our marked position for the entry. So that was here exactly, like we have marked this risk to reward tool. So market came and took us into the trade, but suddenly it has also grabbed the liquidity of this candle. I have placed the stop loss somewhere here at this, but what we have observed, it is always taking our stop loss and then it is going up. The market is closed now due to weekends for the gold, but surely it will touch the trend line and then it will come down. So yes, this was the trade we took. We need to study that why it is always hunting our stop loss and then it is going up. It's been happening like for in past 4 to 5 trades, it has hunted our stop loss and then it is going to our target. So this is the trade. This was all about the trade.